Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to book cheap flights with Skyscanner. First, go to their official website and choose a specific location from start. I'm going to choose the MNL or the Manila Ninoy Aquino, and then the location where you wanted to departure, and choose a specific date from the depart. I'm going to choose the July 1st and return on to July 5th. Now, click the Travelers and Cabin class. You can add a specific number of person including their age and click on search. It'll turn into this page. Now after selecting a specific location, I'm going to choose the Seoul. It'll turn into this page wherein you can choose different kind of flights and also including their prices. I'm going to choose the first one, and now from here you can go on different kind of locations. For example, in Agoda, Traveloka, and any more. From here, click on Book Now and click on Allow Once. Now wait for it to load, and it automatically redirecting you to Agoda, and by that, you can provide your transaction informations and you'll be able to book your flights. And that's how to book cheap flights with Skyscanner. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.